In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Add to Cart button in the Shopify Dawn theme. We're going to work directly inside your Shopify admin, so make sure you're logged into your store before you begin. Once you're in, start on the main Shopify dashboard. This is the page where you see your store overview, recent orders, and basic stats. From here, we're going to move into your online store settings so we can adjust the theme. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Online Store. This will open up the area where all your themes are managed. You should see your current theme listed at the top, which in this case is the Dawn theme, along with a preview of your storefront. Next, we want to open the theme editor. To do that, click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on the label you see next to your live theme. This will open the visual editor in a new view. The theme editor lets you change sections, layouts, and certain behaviors without touching any code, which is exactly what we need for adding the Add to Cart button. In the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a panel on the left with different templates and sections. At the top of the editor, there's a drop-down where you can choose which page you want to edit. Click there and select the home page first, just so you're oriented with how the template selection works. Now, from that same drop-down, switch from the home page to collections. We want to control how products appear in your collection pages, because that's where customers often browse multiple products at once. Once you're in the collections area, choose the default collection template. This controls the layout for your standard product collection pages. When the default collection template loads, look at the left-hand panel and locate the section called Product Grid. This section is responsible for listing all your products in a grid layout. Click on Product Grid to open its settings. Inside these settings, look for an option labeled Quick Add. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down that says Standard. This setting controls how the Quick Add functionality appears on the product cards. Click on Standard to enable that Quick Add behavior, which effectively adds an Add to Cart style button directly on your product grid items. Once you've made that change, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. Give it a moment to apply the update. After saving, your collection pages should now display an Add to Cart style Quick Add button, making it easier and faster for your customers to add items